Stop planning your trips like a tourist. You're wasting 40 hours on Instagram only to end up crossing the city back and forth, losing time in transit, and standing in endless lines. Most people think a great itinerary is about luck. It's actually about strategy. I've traveled to around 20 countries, and I've made every logistical mistake you can imagine. I failed over and over again until I finally engineered the optimized framework I'm sharing today. This system is the result of years of trial and error, and it's going to save you at least 10 hours of research on your next trip. The secret to an elite itinerary is simple. Time defines the destination, not the other way around. If you have 7 days and try to squeeze in 5 cities, you aren't traveling. You're collecting airports. Your number of days is the only variable you don't control. Start with time, and it will force you to make decisions. The value of your trip is your experience, divided by logistical effort. If the effort to move is high, your experience value drops drastically. Pillar 1. Anchor points. Pick only 3 non-negotiables for the whole trip that you absolutely need to do. Just 3. Everything else is a bonus. This eliminates decision fatigue and ensures you experience the emotional peak of the destination. Let me show you how this works in practice with Paris. Classic mistake in Paris is visiting the Eiffel Tower in the morning, Sacré-Cœur, in the afternoon, and the Louvre at night. That's a logistical failure. You'll cross the city 3 times and waste 3 hours underground. The solution: cluster mapping. On Google Maps, we group by zone. Cluster 1, Trocadero, for the best photo of the tower. Then, Champ de Mars. Cluster 2, the Louvre, Tuileries Garden, and Place de la Concorde. And here's a secret from my actual field notes. While 99% of tourists waste 3 hours in the Pyramid Line, you enter through Porte des Lions, or the Carousel du Louvre. You save your legs and your time for what matters. Now, let's talk about the missing layer, the 15-minute rule for transportation. Most people think walking everywhere is the best way to see a city. It's not. My rule is, if the walk is over 15 minutes, take transit. But here's the critical exception. You only apply this if the walk itself is not an attraction. If you are in Rome or certain parts of the Marais, where every street is a museum, walk it. But if you are just walking through dead zones, don't waste your energy. You have to realize that once you arrive at your destination, whether it's a massive museum like the Louvre or a hilly neighborhood like Montmartre, you are going to walk a lot. In Montmartre alone, you'll be climbing constant slopes and stairs. If you waste 30 minutes of dead walking just to get there, your battery will be empty before the real exploration begins. I've made the mistake of walking 30,000 steps in one day just to save money and ruining the next 3 days because I was too tired. Spend that energy where it actually counts. Pillar 2. Energy management. Organize your day by energy levels. Mornings are for high energy anchors. Afternoons are for free exploration. Logistics last. Only book flights once the structure's locked. Subscribe for more technical travel tips. I've also left a link to my video showing you exactly how to save hundreds on airfare using advanced Google Flights techniques. Stop being a tourist. Be a strategist. I'll see you at the destination.